Bula, Bula. Bula. Come. Ayun. Bula.
So,
Ayun.
tell us from the village, from the Shiva
Okay.
temple. This is our secretary and our treasurer from the temple, Shiva. Thank you very much for giving us the audience this morning, sir.
Thank you.
And this is only opportunity that we thought to come and just present a small token on behalf of the Central Division. And
Central Division?
Yes.
Well, what?
Even though our members have also suffered from the Lowaki QBS, but nevertheless we thought also to give something back to the society.
Oh,
As a
thank you
small
very
token,
much.
A small token from the society here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Manmena, and thank you, President. And thank you for this donation from the Sikh Society. And I want to thank you on behalf of government, especially those that were affected by the hurricane in the last 3 weeks or so. Thank you for this donation. And I know it will go a long way towards helping those that were affected.
No, sir. Thank you very much for your this. Thank you. Thank you for your time, sir. You know, you're a busy schedule, but nevertheless.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Here we have a group photo.